In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price color in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your store's price styling using your theme's custom CSS, and how to pick the precise color you want with a hex code. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, open Online Store, then look at your themes. Your current theme appears at the top. Open its editor by clicking Edit Theme or Customize. This takes you into the visual theme editor where you'll see a live preview on the right and your sections and settings on the left. In the editor, look for the small gear icon near the top of the left panel. That's Theme Settings. Click it to open your global theme options. Scroll all the way down until you see Custom CSS. Select it to reveal a text box where you can add your own CSS safely without touching your theme's code files. In that text box, paste the same CSS snippet shown on screen. If you need a moment, feel free to pause and copy it carefully. After pasting, don't worry if the price color in the preview still looks unchanged. The example snippet uses a black hex value by default, so it can appear the same as your current styling. To switch to your preferred color, open a new browser tab and search for Hex Color Picker. Use the color picker to choose a shade that matches your brand. Copy the hex code you see, which looks like a hash symbol followed by 6 characters. Head back to the theme editor. In the custom CSS you pasted, locate the part that says color followed by a hex value. Replace that hex with the one you just copied. Give the preview a second to reload. Shopify usually updates the preview automatically. You should now see your product prices adopting the new color. If you don't notice a change, check that you replace the correct hex value and make sure you're previewing a product page where prices are visible. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right. Your change is now live across your theme. A couple of quick tips. Choose a color with enough contrast so prices are easy to read, especially on mobile. If you want to test a slightly different shade, just update the hex and watch the preview refresh. And if you ever want to revert, simply remove the CSS you added and save again. That's it. Your Shopify price color is updated cleanly and safely through custom CSS.